Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, today's video is also very important and interesting because in this video I will teach you how you can create a torn paper effect in your photos, and this effect looks really cool on photos, so that's why I included this in this course. So let's get started. And I search here, I create a design and custom size, and custom size is like 1000 by 1000. Create a new design and it will appear in the next window. So as you can see, it is loaded. So first of all, we need an image of a man or woman. So I click on photos and here I search man indicating. So there are different photos. I like this one. So that's good. The first step is to remove the background, but I think it is not necessary in this case. So all good. So now go to photos and here I search torn. So there are different torn effects. I select this one. No, that's not look good. I have to choose another one. I just searched torn. This one. It's look good. So I made a duplicate of this photo and drag it here, and after that that's good. The first thing we do with the second image is to remove the background of the image. It is necessary. So it is removing. Wait for some seconds. You can also remove the background of the image by going through the website name remove.bg. So you can also remove background of your images from there, but I like to remove the background within the Canva, so I choose this feature. So that's it. And after that and that's it. So our torn paper effect is ready, and you can also practice this on different images, like it's usually work good on indicating images. A person indicate images, so this effect looks good on this type of images. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. One more thing, please visit my channel Iron Tech and go to playlist name. There are different playlists. I uploaded different courses like Pinterest marketing course, Canva designing course, and HTML course. And in the future I uploaded different videos related to AI. So I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.